Now we will start, that is present tense. Okay. Now present tense also same format, slight difference. Now first is simple present. Simple present. Now if I am writing, he plays football. Now one more thing you have to remember, when you are using he or she, the second verb will be using S in present form. Okay, it will be not he play, it will be he plays. Okay, so he plays football. So there is what? Subject plus verb first form plus object. Now you have to be clear, in present we use verb first form. In past we use verb second form. Okay. Now second example, present, second part, present continuous. Example, same thing. He is playing football. He is playing football. Now here what? Subject plus is, or with is what you can use? Are. Plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay. Are again we use with what? They, we, you. All this thing we use are. He and she and all we use is. So he is playing football, subject plus is or are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Now third, present perfect. Yes. Present perfect. He has played. He has played football. Now here what are there? Subject plus has or have also you can use here. Plus verb third form plus object. Now here you have to, when you are using also the sentence, when you are speaking also, when you are speaking for he, she and all, it and all you have to use has. But they or we you are using, or you are using, you have to use have, plural sense. They have, we have, you have. Okay, so you have to remember this way in past, in all the set, all the persons, I, we, they, he, she, you use had. But in present tense, in present perfect, with all the set you don't use has. Only with he, she and it you use has. Rest, they, we, you and all we use have. This is a slight difference. Okay. So subject, object same, here has, if it was he and she has, if it were they, then have. The same thing, verb third form plus object. Now fourth is present perfect continuous. Yes. He has been playing football. Now here also what? Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay? Subject, object same, has or have, plus been. If it will be also have, you can use been, no problem. Plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Now see, when you are writing, you are memorizing it. Okay? But while speaking or while writing in your copies, like definitely tense separately will not come in your copy, na? Write tense, change the tense. It will come in transformation form, direct, do as directed. Or you are writing anything, any story or anything you are writing, or speaking something, then you have to remember what you have to use. While speaking only, children, or while writing only, you all make mistake. You want to write in past, you use their present. You have to write in present, you use future. Okay, so this is the main. It means you know the thing. Now as you are replying, it means you know the format, you know the thing. But when you are applying it, it is making you quite confused. with the sentence. So when you are speaking, at least think before it. Which tense I am following, which tense I am speaking, and accordingly you have to use the thing. Clear? So here again I am making you revise. Simple present subject plus verb first form. Present continuous subject plus is or are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Present perfect subject plus has or have plus verb third form plus object. And present perfect continuous subject plus has or have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Clear? Present form clear? Simple present?
Yes.